We have an iPhone 11. I bought this from someone who got scammed by one of those phone repair centers at the mall. She said that all she did was drop it once and the screen ended up like this. So let's go ahead and unscrew. And we're going to go ahead and cook the phone. Alright, now let's go ahead and open it up. So I'm using a jimmy tool and a suction cup. Let's go ahead and unscrew the battery cover. And let's go ahead and unscrew the logic board cover. Let's go ahead and disconnect the battery. And let's disconnect all the cables to the screen. Alright, now we have our new screen, and let's go ahead and take off the front sensor panel off of the old screen. And let's put it on the new screen and screw it back in. Let's go ahead and plug in the new screen. We also have to plug in the battery. And let's test out the new screen to make sure it works. Now that it works, we will go ahead and screw in the logic board cover and the battery cover. Let's go ahead and close it up. So let's get that crunch. and peel. Let's screw in the bottom screws now. And we're done. This screen came with a screen protector, so I'll put that on too. So let's wipe the screen off. And dry it off. And place on the new screen protector. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.